So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make pants for the character. So in the previous video we have learned how to make t-shirt. Now in this video we are going to show our pant in this Blender software, which is a very good software for making 3D characters and animations. So first of all, make sure that your cursor should be at the bottom of the character. Once you made this, now we have to press Ctrl Shift A and just uh, add a plane here. When you add plane here, just open this and change its angle to 90 degree. Fine, and just minimize this front view and just press G and Z. Make it little front. Fine. Fine. So now you can select this one and change the cursor position to another place. Yeah. So once you're done with this, just resize it. Fine. And just move it little further, little upward where you want your pen to be, and just keep it at the left or right side, wherever the position you want. So suppose I want to keep it at right side. So G and Y, and just keep it at the center. Fine. So now since we are going to use a mirror modifier, so just let me do it again. G and Y, and keep it like this. Fine. So now go to the modifier and add mirror modifier. Fine. And since we have choose this one, I think it mirrors. First of all, choose the object, and now. So once you reach this step, you have to enable this one, this option, and go to edit mode and choose the vertex mode and just select these vertex and just move it along the axis like this. Now you can scale it and move it G and Y. Fine. And then now you can select this one as well and move it G and Y. Fine. This will be better. And you can this one. This is much better now. And I think we are just we have to set it G and Y and keep it little here, or we can keep this one G and Y bit here, because this will need G and Y. Yeah, this is better. G and Y. So guys, but we forget to add modifier here. So first of all, just add the mirror modifier and of this object. So just add modifier and along y-axis. And just press Ctrl A and all transform. Now you can press Y. Fine. Now this is perfect. And go back to edit mode and choose both vertex and just press G and Z and press S to scale it and and G to move it. Fine, this is perfect. Now what we have to do right now, yeah, what we can do here, now we have to uh, keep the cursor on the boundary and press Control R. For the loop cut, just select the. So once you guys add the mirror modifier, just select these two vertex, press G and Z to move it down, and just S and again G and Y to move it a little bit here, and again scale it, and G and Y. Fine, and just like this, you have to select this vertex and move G and Y to keep it here. And what more you can do, just move it a little bit a sider. Fine, now this is much better, and I think we can go back to this point. Fine, so we are done with almost things. So what now we are going to do is just select this one and press Shift D, duplicated, and G and Y.